Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Isha coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, March 1st, 2019. Happy March! The weather today in Schaumburg will be 36 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Clubs meeting today are Intramurals basketball will meet at 11:15 in the gym. Today's announcements are, hope you didn't forget today's zero waste lunch. Starting Monday, room 209 will be hosting a book drive. Please bring any new or gently used books you want to donate. Books can be placed in the box outside of room 209. Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum and Mrs. Ankrum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. Happy Friday. We are excited to be here and together.
Yes.
We hope you're having a wonderful Friday. Couple of quick announcements. One, staff and students, Mrs. Buck is not here today and we do not have a substitute. Teachers, if you do need help rearranging for her groups, please call the office and let us know. All right, on to our great celebrations. We have our winner for the classroom that wore the most spirit wear for the past month. Congratulations to, drumroll, Mr. Antos's class. Way to go. We will deliver your pennant.
Awesome.
We also have spirit wear ticket winners. You may come to the office to claim your prize, which is a Hoover Hawks lanyard. Congratulations to Dominic in room 112, Ryan in 102, Alexi in 209, Hannah in 114, Charlotte in 116, and Dino in 101. Congratulations to our Spirit Wear winners. All right, we are here to talk about Smetzels. Some examples of reasons kids earned Smetzels this week and are being acknowledged are terrific work using details and text evidence to support your written answers. That one was for Amelia in room 114 from Mrs. Kobernick. You've been doing an outstanding job being a great role model for classmates during music. Great job staying focused and on task. That one's for Christian in room 117 from Miss Young. Terrific work using details and text evidence. Oh, I read that one. Sorry, boys and girls. Let me get to the next one. Terrific job coming up with imaginative ideas and organizing it in your narrative story. That's for Addison in room 114 from Mrs. Kobernick. And my last sample today is, I love how much you've been participating in class. Thank you for sharing your history knowledge with the class. That one is for Thompson in room 114 from Miss Lee. All right, our other Smenzel winners are
We have Bella in 114,
Elijah in 115,
Addison 114,
Amelia 114,
Christine in 116,
Angelo in 117,
Christian 117,
Mrs. Cangelosi,
Brooklyn in 214,
Thompson in 214,
Olivia in 204,
Suman in 211,
Ashley in 211,
Caitlin in 211,
Miss Villarreal,
Mrs. Nordstrom,
Mrs. Riamonde,
Mr. Sustich,
Zach in 114,
Mrs. Slavic,
Nihal in 109,
Khadijah in 109,
Nazanin in 110,
Anthony in 110.
Ansh in 108.
Congratulations to all of our Smetzel winners. After announcements, you can head to the office to claim your prize. It is Friday, my favorite day of the week because we do the Hoover song. Come on in, guys. Students, come join us. You can even stand right in front of us. Come on in, guys. Come stand right in front of us, girls. You got it. There you go.
Perfect.
Here we go.
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go.
together we shine brighter.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum and Mrs. Ankrum. This week's announcements were brought to you by the Unique Unicorns. Have a friendly Friday!